Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Kieran, again, he's just been featuring in a lot of videos recently. It's almost like I don't mind his presence or something. Anyway, pretty cool because me and Kieran have never fished the saltwater together. I haven't really fished it. I think I did like one day last year, caught one kingfish, and I haven't done a lot for quite a few years. And anyway, we've got a pretty sick boat. We've got 2 days to fish out here and the weather is good both days. We've just fished a heap of markers so far this morning, haven't moved to fish or anything like that. But I'm pretty confident someone's already had a crack at them this morning as well. Anyway, stick around, stay tuned for a couple of cool days catching some pretty cool fish. In my opinion, one of the coolest fish New Zealand has to offer. In fact, we're super lucky to have it alongside a saltwater species like this, alongside trout. So. Alright, we've had some excitement. We found 2 rays in short succession. First one had 2 fish, which followed my fly a couple of times. Kieran's convinced they should have stripped faster. I've been told that before, so maybe that is the case. Oh, eat it. That's a big fish too, the one. You want to hit it? Oh, I don't think, yeah, here he is, right here, left. We set up beautifully on the second ray with the 3 fish, and Kieran put a really nice cast in. I thought they were going to eat it for sure, but they didn't even follow. Big fish. 3 fish. Oh god, don't swim into us. We chased them around, put a few casts in different flies, but no interest. But the kingfish were occasionally eating stuff, so we pretty much just got full on denied. But anyway, it was still fun, and we've got plenty more time, so I'm still hopeful we're going to run into one and get the net wet. That's the plan anyway.
Bang. Why are we stopping? Because there's a big spider above me. Oh no.
Get it out, Kieran.
I just keep missing. Where did it go? It's just on your seat now. There we go.
Where did it go now?
It's outside the vehicle.
Where?
On the floor.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh.
There we go.
Yes. Yeah, I did hook the smaller one. The other one's bigger for sure. Yeah, cast back side of it now. Yep. Man, they're two completely different colour fish, eh? Like real kingfish, like it's got the stripe and everything. And the other one is way bigger. Okay, yep, lead it there. Oh! Yes! Yes! One's near the motor. One's like under the boat. No, 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 no. Yeah. Strikes the net.
Oh, that goes the fucking...
Oh, no, no. I'm going to come off anchor.
Yeah.
Oh. Jesus. He's trying to do me dirty on the boat. Give me an opportunity, fish. Oh. Or not, just do what you want. Come here. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh, man. Jesus. I didn't want to pull on that because I've got 20 on that one.
Yeah, I've got 20 on this.
I didn't want to pull any harder. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Nearly.
Nearly there.
Here we go.
Maybe not.
Just give up, man.
Oh,
Legs. Here we go, here we go. Scoop them out. Nice.
yes!
Perfect.
Oh, what a fish. That's a really good fish.
Yes!
Oh, man. Freaking awesome. That is what we have been sort of hanging out for. 2 days. I mean, it's so random. So random. It's not random. Kieran thinks it's all timing and data and he knows where they'll be. I think you just got to be in there, be there or be square. This afternoon we were square. 2 fish, double hook up. I mean, the trip's made really with that. And we've still got pretty much a whole day to go. So it's a bit of luck. We'll find some more, but I mean, that's pretty well good enough, I'd say. Anyway, I was kind of stoked. I got a fish. I was like, yes, we can just spend the rest of the day one person fishing. I can drive the boat properly. I can film properly. But now we're all square again straight away. Game on. It's a small one. Yep. Yes! No way! Oh, dude! It's only a small fish. It's smaller than that other one. There's out here, like off the front of the boat now. I think it's another fish. And even straight across there now. Probably. It looks very similar.
Oh, cool. You came up and just sit there, didn't you?
Yeah, lifted like. Oh, why does that feel weird all of a sudden? Oh! See?
What did you do?
Went too hard.
No.
There's no bloody harm in just playing them.
How sharp's your hook?
Do you want me to test it on you?
Put your bum on the line.
Okay, I know. I'm sure there is. Here you go again. There's two. Oh, there's one right there. No. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Oh. Yes. Crikey. Maybe not. It's a nice fish too. So close. Yes. Sweet. These are such cool fish, man.